I am going to call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
As a builder, we're always looking to the next project, the next location, the next great material, where things are going. We have seen in our country and in our world, natural disasters, fires, insurance companies that aren't really willing to cover stuff like they used to because of this. The writing's on the wall of where we're going with building. They are, not by force, but just by necessity in colder climates, they're already doing this. Here in Arkansas, where we have had tornadoes, we have had such demand for something that, can protect families during these natural disasters. And I think with the wildfires in California, I think with all of this changing our environment, this is where it's headed.
Since you mentioned it, I do want to bring up a point that during a class recently, I had some insurance agents in the class that said in certain states, I believe it was in Kansas, Oklahoma, and through that tornado belt, they actually had to start dropping coverage and not able to cover standard stick-built homes. But one thing that he said to me in class was, if that house was built with Nudura, we can cover those homes. And then on top of that, as a fortified structure, you're getting some really good discounts from those insurance companies. I mean, think about it. If a storm comes through and tears everything up around you, right, your stick-built neighbors, inside your ICF home, you may have some broken glass, maybe some roof pieces missing, but the structure's still there. So the rebuild cost for those projects are so much less, and the insurance companies are starting to see that.
Well, and as a parent with kids, the biggest fear is if there's a storm, if there's a tornado that comes this quickly, can I get to my kids and can I get to the safe room quick enough? In this, I built the safe room.
That's right.
My kids are in their bedroom that is now a safe room.
Another funny thing there too, if your neighbors start understanding that you've built that home with ICF, now when the storm comes, you got some company too, because they're going to knock on the door, right?
Yep.
Your house is going to be that safe place for them.
If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura Forms, go visit Nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.